Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the part 3 video on the topic Professional degree which one can pursue after completing 12th. In my previous video, I have shared details on the following degrees, respectively in part 1 and part 2. I recommend you to watch my previous videos before starting with this video. To watch my previous video, click on the I at the top. And please don't forget to support me by subscribing to my channel. So let us begin with today's video. Medical Science Part 3. Bachelor of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry. Duration 5.5 years including 6-month internship. It is an undergraduate veterinary science professional course that deals with curing, treating as well as studying the various diseases occurring in animals and birds, thus studying the physiology of animals in detail. Eligibility of the course. Student has to pass 12th with minimum of 50% marks in physics, chemistry, biology and English. And seats are allotted based on NEET scorecards in all states. And few universities conduct their own entrance exams and few consider admission based on 12th marks. Course fee for B.V.Sc ranges from 25,000 to 40,000 in government institutes, and in private institutions it varies from 25 to 1.5 lakhs. Career opportunities are listed and initial salary will be somewhere between Rs 20,000 to 60,000 per month. Top colleges offering this course are listed here. B.Pharm, Bachelor of Pharmacy, duration 4 years. Bachelor of Pharmacy course is a professional undergraduate degree program which comes under pharmacy. This course helps in testing and researching of drugs for particular disease and giving awareness about the dosage of drugs to the patient. Eligibility. Student have to pass 12th having physics, chemistry and biology as main subjects, and he should also have passed English. Seats are allotted based on the scores obtained in Karnataka CET or similar state level entrance exams. Course fee ranges from Rs 15,000 to 20,000 in government colleges, and in private colleges it ranges from Rs 60,000 to 1.25 lakhs. Career opportunities are listed here, and the salary may range between 2 to 5 lakh rupees per annum. Top colleges offering this course are listed here. Diploma in Pharmacy, duration 2 years. Diploma in Pharmacy is a diploma level course designed to prepare candidates to work under the supervision of licensed pharmacists in hospitals, community pharmacists and other pharmaceutical related fields. Student should have passed 12th having physics, chemistry and biology as a main subject, and he should also pass English to be eligible for D.pharm. Seats are allotted based on the scores obtained in KCET or similar level state level entrance exam. Course fee ranges from 15 to 20,000 in government colleges, and in private colleges it may range from 40 to 80,000. Career opportunities are listed here, and salary may range from 2 lakhs to 3 lakhs per annum. Top colleges offering this course are listed here. Pharma D, Doctor of Pharmacy, is a professional degree in pharmacy stream. Pharma D course duration is 6 years in total, inclusive of 5 years of learning and 1 year of internship for practical learning. The only doctoral degree that can be pursued right after passing 10+2 qualifying examinations, that is 12th. It is a higher degree compared to Diploma in Pharmacy. Eligibility. Student have to pass 12th or PUC with physics, chemistry and biology or mathematics taken as a subject with minimum 60% mark, or he should have passed Diploma in Pharmacy. There isn't any common entrance test at national level, but few colleges may conduct their own, and there are few states which have their own entrance exams. Course fee for Pharma D starts around 1.5 lakhs and it goes all the way up to 12 lakhs in few top class universities. Career opportunities are listed here and salary may range between Rs 5 to 12 lakhs per annum. Top colleges offering this degree are listed here. Even though I have shared 14 courses in field of medical science, there are still many more courses, but these are offered in very few colleges in India. Here I have tried to list them. Please go through and note them down. BMRIT, Bachelor of Medical Radiodiagnosis and Imaging Technology. BMRT, Bachelor of Medical Radiotherapy Technology. BPH, Bachelor of Public Health. BYNS, Bachelor of Yoga and Naturopathy Science. BSLP, Bachelor in Audiology and Speech Language Pathology. BPU, Bachelor in Prosthetic and Orthotics. I hope this video was informative. By this, we are ending our video on professional courses after 12 in fields of medical science. To get notified on new video uploads, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. Thank you for watching. See you guys in next video.